Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to download Amazon application on a mobile device. In order to download Amazon application on your preferred mobile device is real easy. It is an American subscription video on demand over the top streaming and rental service of Amazon. Let's start the video. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open up your App Store or your Play Store. Click over here. Bring up the search bar and type in Amazon Prime Video and hit the search. You can see the Amazon application over here. Just click on install. It might take a while to install. Wait for it. See, the application is already installed. Just click on open. Now you need to enter your mobile number or your email. Due to privacy, I cannot show you guys this interface. Now you can enjoy by watching video. This much for today. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon for our latest video and drop a comment for review and more content like this. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.